The intention of this channel is to publish the view for Bank Nifty and give the results of trades executed in Sensible Virtual Trading so that one can practice and become a profitable trader. Now let us take a look at the positions in Sensible. This is the outstanding profit for this week. Remember, this is the profit for this week and not for today only. Now let us take a look at the charts and see what could be the move for tomorrow. Let me change it to the daily chart here. Looking at the chart data, the uptrend is still intact. So unless it breaks the swing low of around 30,300, we can maintain our bullish view. We can move on to the open interest data and see how it is positioned. If we take a look at the Nifty data, it's having very strong support and resistance around the current levels. So based on this, it might find tough to cross these levels sooner. So it might consolidate for some more time unless there is any gap up opening or gap down opening. Now let us take a look at the Bank Nifty data. Here again there is very strong resistance at 31,000 and the support is also good at 30,500 levels, and tomorrow being expiry day, we can expect the index to consolidate between 30,500 and 31,000 level. Also, if we look at the average daily move, it is around 400 to 500 points, or even few days it is even much lesser than that, that is around 300 to 350 points. So based on this logic, we can safely assume the index would trade between 30,500 and 31,000, and we can plan our strategies accordingly. One more thing we need to observe is the change in open interest. Clearly the resistance is completely broken at this level 30,500, and the bulls have clearly occupied these levels 30,600 and 700, but still there is significant amount of resistance and change in open interest at 30,900 and 31,000. So we can safely assume it will consolidate for tomorrow. Always hedge your positions against swift down moves due to any unforeseen reason or profit booking. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.